Hello! Good evening na. Yeah, 5. Anong time na dito? It's almost 6 o'clock na yata dito sa Iraq. So, this one is the cooking by mga amo. And for the lunch time. Okay. Meron dyan batinjen, eggplant, and sliced eggplant, make it fried, the patata and the onion and tomato. Ano lang siya, wala namang, yeah, it's right, that's all. Oh, and the chicken legs. Yummy yan, yummy yan. Okay, that is their lunch time. And they have also some of the batinjan. No, it's their favorite, this one. This one is good for the dinner. Yeah. What's the no? Okay. And this one. Half na lang yan. Chicken yan inside eh. Oh, yung pizza nila na ano. Ewan ko, ganito talaga ang pizza nila dito. Even the round one na ano. Hindi talaga. Kung sa bagay, different kind of recipe how to make it and how to do it. Okay, so and this one also is the cupcake. My favorite cupcake. This one is favorite cupcake of mine. Yeah. You can visit anytime of this one. So I finished na to cook, to wash in the kitchen, and they go to the new chef of Madam. She's telling to me that she bring me, and then I don't know, they go already, and maybe because I didn't yet eat my lunch, and I need to wash, but I didn't yet finish in the kitchen, kaya that's all. So that is the weather. That is already night time. It's almost mga 6:30 if I'm not mistaken, 6:30 or to 7, not yet 7, I think not yet 7. I don't know what time really. No. So the summertime is almost finished, and now the weather is little bit warm early in the morning, and it's little bit windy. It's not windy as in windy talaga. Ano lang siya, normal na mga hangin. Mahangin na talaga siya. And because the winter is coming soon. Diba? So, thank you. Thank you again for watching. I say, thank you. Yung tit ko, tingnan mo, ang pangit-pangit tingnan. Wala akong magawa sa buhay. Just make it, what's that, like a presentation dance of mine na without dancing, only without step. As in, just make you smile if you are watching. Okay, just kidding sometimes. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and more blessings at all. And thank you very much for the all sponsor to help, sponsor us to help to support, to subscribe, and the viewers in my channel, the beginning channel that what I have. So thank you that you are still continuous helping and support to my beginning channel that what I have, and all of us nationwide, worldwide, at to different countries in this world. Keep safe lagi sa hometown ko, including lahat of them na talaga good luck and God bless us all and bye.